Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to calculate a weighted average in Excel using the SUMPRODUCT function. A weighted average is used when the values in a dataset have different levels of importance or significance. Each value is assigned a weight, often expressed as a percentage, which reflects its importance. Unlike the regular average where all values are treated equally, the weighted average takes into account the assigned weights. In Excel, a regular average can be calculated using the average function. But the weighted average requires combining values and weights. The formula for weighted average is equals sum product of values and weights divided by sum of weights. Take the cell where you want the result. Type equals sum product. And select the values. Add a comma. Select the weights. Close the parenthesis. Type /sum, then select the weights again and close. Press Enter. The weighted average is now calculated and works for any data set. Now you know how to calculate a weighted average in Excel using the SUMPRODUCT and SUM functions. It's a simple and effective method that can save you time when dealing with values of different importance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.